For today's Tesla Model 3 accessory video, I'm going to share with you guys this awesome Yoke steering wheel from Hansho. Now, Yoke steering wheel has been around for a while. Since Tesla Model 3 came out, they always made a Yoke steering wheel, but I never really liked it because it didn't really look OEM. It didn't look like Tesla made it. Hansho came out with a steering wheel that looks exactly like the steering wheel from Tesla Model S and X. I'm going to show you how to install this, and if you guys do like it, I will put the discount code link below. Check this out. What's up guys, Miriam from Camera to Freedom. If you use your camera to take photos and videos and make YouTube content, then hit that like and subscribe and let's go. So this video is about this awesome steering wheel, Yoke steering wheel from Hansho. I never really cared for a Yoke steering wheel. Driving a regular circle steering wheel for so long, there's no way I'm gonna enjoy driving a square steering wheel. This is how most of us normally drive, just like this, and we're spinning it around and just kind of very comfortable, just relaxing our arm. That's what we're used to. That's what we've been used to ever since car was invented, since forever. I think even Flintstones had a steering wheel that they drove. That's how it always been. So it's too hard for us to actually change. A lot of us, including myself for the longest of time, was like, there's no way. I don't even want a Yoke steering wheel. Even if I was to get a Tesla Model S or an X, please give me an option for a circle steering wheel. So when I saw this steering wheel from Hansho, I had to give it a shot. I was like, wow. An OEM, the one that actually looks like Tesla made it. I'm gonna at least give it a shot and see how it goes. And let me tell you right now, it is fun driving this car. I'm gonna share with you guys on how to install this. It takes some effort to do it, but it's not that hard. I was intimidated. I'm not a mechanic. I tell you what, this was kind of fun and easy to do. So I'm gonna share with you guys how to do that. I've already had it for a few days, so that I could really be honest with you and see how it feels, what bothers me, what I love about it. I will have the big discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. So let's start by turning off your Tesla Model 3. Go to safety, scroll all the way down, and turn off your Tesla. Use any thin screwdriver or Allen wrench and push into the tiny hole until you release the airbag. You can see that it was pushing on this metal piece to unlock the airbag. Gently pull off the airbag and use a needle nose plier to take out the clips. Also take out the second clip on the left side. Use a 10mm hex bit socket to remove the bolt holding the steering wheel on the steering column. You might need help because it took all my strength to unlock this. Put your steering wheel to the side and install your new Hansho Yoke steering wheel. Thanks to the groove, there's only one way to install the steering wheel so you won't mess up. And make sure you tighten that steering wheel as hard as you can. Same strength that you used to take it out so it stays in place. You can transfer the airbag to the new center cap, but I decided to keep my original center cap instead. Be sure to clip back on the 2 clips that you pulled out and firmly press against until you hear the beep. So I absolutely love this steering wheel. When I first got it, I was on the fence. For the whole year I had the Tesla Model 3, I thought it was ridiculous. I don't think I could ever go back to a regular steering wheel. I have my hand just placed comfortably in the middle like this on the bottom, just hanging down. And it's so perfect for autopilot because for the autopilot, you have to hold it constantly to make it work, or else if it knows that you're not holding it, right, it warns you that's gonna turn off autopilot. But here, now you could just rest your finger right on bottom of this steering wheel, this Yoke steering wheel, and just relax. I used to do that with my round steering wheel, but my fingers would kind of bend because it's round, so it'd be like this. But now, I'm comfortably just placing my finger just like that and just relaxing. It's super cool. I love how minimal it looks. It looks like Tesla, someone that made the steering wheel. So out of all the Yoke steering wheel that's available right now, the different kind of steering wheel that's available, this is my absolute favorite one for sure. I'm glad I finally pulled the trigger and got the Yoke steering wheel. It is absolutely amazing. I think that Tesla Model 3s in the future should all just come with Yoke steering wheel, because just like how it was for the past year, there's a lot of people that is thinking there's no way they're gonna get a Yoke steering wheel. That's ridiculous when we've been driving with a round steering wheel all our lives. But once you get used to it, I'm telling you, you won't wanna go back. It's super comfortable to drive. When I wanna be 100% alert, I'm just holding it from side to side. I have my thumb just resting on top of it. Otherwise, I could just put my hand a little lower and grab it like as if I'm piloting an F1 race car or a jet. It's really neat. And it's super comfortable when you're driving in a swervy road and you just kind of have it locked in like that and you're turning. It's somehow very more responsive to me than a round steering wheel. I don't know why. I don't know why I got instantly used to this, and it's super comfortable. So like when I'm turning, easy to just hold on to the steering wheel on the side and just spin it. Very comfortable to spin. And then when I'm turning left, I just rest my hand on top of it and just kind of push it down. It's so easy and smooth. I'm gonna put the discount code link to Handshow's website and the steering wheel below. So if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. And just real quick, guys, Tesla is having an awesome referral program. If you use my link to buy your Tesla, you're gonna get 10,000 credit. It might go up, it might go down. It's always different. You could get awesome Tesla accessories and supercharged miles with it. So use that link to get yourself a Tesla. Otherwise, if you don't use it, you don't get anything. So you will be hooking both of us up by using that link. So thank you so very much. I love how when you come inside, it now looks even more futuristic. It even looks like a spaceship. I actually look forward to driving right now, just because it's exciting to drive like a new car, and it feels like I have a new car again. Give it a shot, give it a try. I'm gonna put that discount code link below from Handshow. So if you do buy from me, thank you so very much. If you guys watched it all the way through, thank you so very much. I appreciate you. And leave a comment, just say what's up. I would love to say hi. You know, you're gonna be helping me out with the algorithm. So I appreciate that a lot. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And I will see you next time.